today we're going to be making Easter baskets for adults. So let's get started. So the first step you're going to want to do is I just have it right here. 2 pipe cleaners, or as many. And you can see that that's how I made it. Those are what it's going to look like. And a little, dupe there. But let's do these first so I can talk about it when I'm doing it. So first, I'm going to take one end and you're going to curl it. I'm using sparkly and make Easter colors. Just want to keep on going side. Okay, that's not big enough, right? That's not big enough for a sweet treat, like a jelly bean for dollies. We need another one. Now you're going to, if you can't find the spot that you ended at, you can just get a little thing and curl it like that. Then go the other way. And see those? Those you're going to want to have the handles so the dolly can hold them. Or the person. Well, they're dollies because I don't have them. I did, but I don't know where one is. I have no idea. And you're going to have a little dupe for the candy into a little Easter basket. Yeah, you push down the center for the candy. Don't forget your jelly bean for your dollies. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Oh, I ate my jelly bean. Good. Don't forget jelly beans. Watch so good.